guys, I'm Vino and this is my planet, guys. Hi guys, I got this really cool waterfall that needs fixing. So we got this car, the small car. And now we got a dump truck. This is a dump truck with two people. There's one people inside and one people outside that can do so they can dump truck. And this one is the last one, the excavator. So, but wait, I just need to fix this because it broke. Okay, guys. So here's the excavator. I got this block thing that moves. It can dump. There, and that's what I all have. But the people, there's boys and girls. There's 2 girls and 2 boys. So they have. There's three construction that has red hats, but one has a gray one. Okay, guys. Bye and subscribe. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.